My video guide will provide you with instructions to remove the malicious browser extension and the browser hijacker that is called Clear Search. The developers of this service claim that by installing the Clear Search extension, you will get a secure Bing-based lightning-fast search engine. But after analyzing this piece of software, we found out that it is a browser hijacker. Clear Search operates by modifying browser settings to cause redirects to the clearsearch.com fake search engine. And when you submit certain search queries, you may eventually get the results by some other search engine. In certain cases, you don't notice any change, but very often, indeed, such changes take place. This hijacker may make its own decisions on what search engine to use instead of letting you make such choices. The majority of browser extensions like that are also able to add some of their own advertisements on top of search results, and this is not really good because these are ads that are not related to the sites that you visit. And also, some of these hijackers may also collect certain browsing-related information. We strongly advise that you get rid of any third-party extensions from your Google Chrome by accessing the menu, More Tools, then Extensions. So disable and delete any third-party extensions if you find them here. To make sure that your computer is free of any other threats, I would like to recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and start researching your system to detect and remove other possibly hidden threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-Ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.